Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making cassava chips, also known as fried mogo. To serve with the mogo chips, I'm going to be making tamarind chutney as well. This root vegetable is double cooked, first boiled and then fried. To make these chips, I'm using frozen cassava, which is easily available in South Asian, West Indian and mainstream grocery stores. To make the cassava chips, I'm using 500 grams of frozen cassava. And all we need is oil for frying and 4 cups of water to boil the cassava. To make the tamarind chutney, I'm using 2 tablespoons of tamarind, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 cups of water. We will also need some salt, chili powder, chaat masala to sprinkle on the prepared chips. Tamarind chutney is very easy to make. We will add the tamarind into the pot, add the salt, chili powder, sugar and the 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we will lower the heat and let it cook until we get the desired thickness. Strain the chutney and then cool it before serving. First of all, we are going to thaw the cassava and then boil it. To boil the cassava, I placed it in a saucepan, added 4 cups of water and placed it on medium-high heat and let it boil until it's cooked. It has taken 25 minutes for the cassava to become fork tender, and that's exactly how we want it. Then we will drain the water and set the cassava aside to cool. Once they're cooled enough to handle, we will cut them into chunky fries. Add some oil in a frying pan and place it on medium-high heat. Once the oil is heated, add the fries. I'm going to be frying them in 2 batches because if they're too crowded, they will not cook properly. While frying, turn the chips often so that they brown evenly on all sides. It has taken 10 minutes and the fries are perfectly golden brown now. At this stage, take the fries out and start with the next batch. Place the fried cassava chips on a paper towel and then sprinkle them with the salt, chili powder and the chaat masala. You can use these 3 things according to your taste. Cooked like this, the cassava chips are very crispy. Here, take a listen. These chips are super crunchy and make a delicious snack. Do try these chips. I'm sure you're going to like them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. By pressing the bell icon, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!